Welcome to Kotlin tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe about Kotlin Hoin expression. The Hoin construct in Kotlin can be thought of replacement of Java switch statement. It evaluates a section of code among many alternatives. So now we will show the example of Hoin expression. Suppose variable a equal to 12 and variable b equal to 5. Println enter operator either plus, minus, multiple or division. Then operator equal to read line. So this operator we will input from user. Well, result when expression, this when is constructor is operator. At first we will check the input equal to plus operator, then this expression will execute a plus b if minus input from user, then a minus b will execute if the multiplication, then a triple b if is enter, then a division by division b, and else operator is invalid. Operator, finally we will print the result. Print the result. Suppose my result equal to so at first we define the two variable a and b. A is equal to 12 and b is equal to 5, and then we will get the input from user. In user will input plus or minus or multiplication or division. This is the variable operator, and this is the read line, and it take input from user, and then this is the when expression. When expression is constructor give the operator, and this operator will check the this is equal to plus, then this expression will execute, and then check the it equal to minus, and then check the equal to multiplication, and then check the is equal to division. If not match anyone, then the else statement will be execute, then it will be written, and finally print the data. Now we will run our project. So here we will enter the input. At first we will enter the input plus, then enter. So it's showing the my result 70. So we get input from user and from in and keyboard by read line, and we enter the flash and it check when expression is match the plus sign, then a plus b, this expression executed, and the final result is, my result is 70. 12 plus 5, this 12 plus 5, and this expression has been executed. Final result is 12.5. We can see the again the result. Now we will enter the minus, then this is the invalid operator. We can run again. We enter the minus and then enter, then it's showing the my result 7. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So this is the point expression. This when expression all time not mandatory. This like expression we can print here. Suppose print ln dollar a plus dollar b equal to, we can set the expression here, a plus b, a plus b. So this is the minus operator. This is multiplication, and this is division. So this is division. So now we can run our project. Suppose plus, then enter. This is the 12 plus 12. This is the dollar a. This plus match the plus operator, and this statement has been executed. Print line dollar a showing the 12, and this is the dollar b showing the dollar, and this for this space is behave as like string. So we can reduce the gap and run again. Enter. So this is the 12 plus 5, a is equal to 12, and b is equal to 5. Then result a plus b equal to 17. Point expression has few possibilities. Now we can show the another example. Suppose Suppose a variable val n is equal to -1 when n and constructor and it's 1 or 2 or 3, then print n is positive inte- integer less than less than 4, and then second expression is 0, check the 0, println n is 0, and third expression is -1 -2 println n is a negative integer integer greater than 3. So when expression is set the few possibilities, combine two or more branch condition with comma. Suppose it check the n below 1 or 2 or 3. If match, then print line this statement. If not match, then check the if n equal to 0. If not match 0, then it will check the -1 or -2. So now we will run our project for showing the when expression which one match statement. So here is the showing output. N is the negative integer greater than 3. N is the negative integer greater than 3 because n equal to -1. So match the -1 this expression and print that n is the negative integer greater than 3. Now we will show the another example of when expression. Suppose set the value in range val a equal to 100 when a in 1 1 to 10. Set the 1 to 10. If mass is 1 to 10, then println a positive number less than 11. Then if not mass, then it will set 10 to 100. Then statement println is a positive number between 10 to 100. So now we will run the project. So variable value a equal to 100, then if expression a check first, it range 1 to 10, not match 1 to 10 because a value is 100. Then it will go the second statement in 10 to 100, then match this range and print the a positive number between 10 to 100. Thank you.